No knife. Pepper steak and potatoes, lamb chops, sauteed green beans, mashed potatoes, man. Niggas can't fuck with me. Cooking with Kirk. Let go. No motherfucking knife. You know what time it is. I'm fresh off the stage in St. Louis. Today we doing pepper steak and potatoes. Let's get it. Let's get it. It's gonna be a quick one. Come with me. We already got the motherfucking potatoes peeled and they boiling. You gonna go salt, pepper, chopped garlic and onion. That's how we gonna do the motherfucking potatoes. You cooking with no knife, all right? Look, we got the hot flakes going out this bitch. You know what I'm saying? For all my people that like to see me do that smiley face, let me not forget where we came from, nigga. Come on, man, there's no knife in this bitch. We gonna start off with that motherfucking steak. Yeah, and I hit the bin clean, you know what I'm saying, with vinegar, been rinsed, not only with water, but with vinegar too. All right, boom, we gonna start off with the steak. Just no knife, baby. You know what time it is. Little steak rub. I make no mistakes in the kitchen. See what I'm saying? Anything I do in this bitch, we gonna turn it into gold. And salt, pepper, garlic. Where's my black pepper? Cool. Y'all know what to do when you cooking, man. What no knife tell you? Put a lid on. We gonna go peppers. We got red, yellow, orange, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna let that steak cook down a little bit. And once that steak cook a little bit, we gonna go in with some onions. Just let them bitches do what they do. What's your ingredients today, no knife? Peppers, red, yellow, orange. Steak cut, stir fry style. Organic peeled garlic, freshly chopped onions, soy sauce. Really important to get the low sodium kind, you know what I'm saying? Really important. That other shit, it ain't good for you. You gonna have high blood pressure, nigga. There's no knife. Heavy whipping cream, potatoes, butter. You know what I mean? And then I'm thinking about doubling up, going lamb chops and shit too, doing 2 separate meals at the same time. Pepper steak potatoes, lamb chops, mashed potatoes, sauteed green beans with peppers and onions. You know how I get out, man. It's no knife. You know what time it is. Don't let that red light fool you, man. We medium well plus to well done type niggas around this bitch. I forgot one of them ingredients too. I forgot about cornstarch. We had to borrow some from the kitchen, from the catering area, just like some niggas. You wanna go cornstarch, okay? Soy sauce, low sodium. We don't got no bowl. We gonna use an aluminum pan. Soy sauce, soy sauce. You know what I'm saying? Both of them. Soy sauce, very important to get the low sodium kind. But around have high blood pressure. That's all my black folks. You put around have high blood. You know this shit running in our blood. We put around have high blood pressure. Get low sodium. It's very important. We gonna get you a whisker. You know what I'm saying? You wanna apply probably about a teaspoon. I can eyeball it. Do not try to eyeball it. You is not no knife. Applicate this motherfucking cornstarch into this aluminum pan, brisking this low sodium soy sauce into more of a thicker gravy-like consistency. This fucking no knife. You can tell by the shit that I'm popping. Anybody that know what they doing and can hear the goddamn vernacular and the vocabulary, the way I'm popping this shit, you know I do this shit for real. This fucking no knife. You see what I'm saying? I don't fuck around. Big fish, by the way. Big fish. You hear me? Get the technique. Get the wrist. It's all about your wrist game. You know what I'm saying? Get the wrist. Yeah. Both arms. Get both the wrists, nigga. Yeah. Nigga, look at the fingertips. Look at the fingertips. Look at that coordination to be able to hit them fingertips like that one side. Look at this. Come on now, swing around, nigga. Get me. Look at the fingertips. Tapping the cup. Look how I'm whisking it as that shit fall down, nigga. There's no knife. That's how you make gravy. It's gonna thicken that bitch up. Shit ain't about nothing. Everybody been to everywhere I go. I'm on tour right now. Good Vibes on the tour, by the way. I'm backstage outside the tour bus. Every state and city we done went to, from ages goddamn 5 to 65, they tapped in with no knife and they rocking with no knife. I've been doing this shit since a little one. Yes, sir. In this pan over here, we got these lamb chops laid out on paper towels so they can dry off. You know what I'm saying? We wanna make sure we don't get no paper towel over in the lamb chop. Clean, rinse thoroughly with water and vinegar. Cool. We wanna get them lamb chops. We wanna season them lamb chops. I usually go jerk marinade. We gonna hit it with something else today. We gonna use what we got. Then we gonna beat that meat, We gonna beat that meat. We gonna beat that meat. We gonna beat that meat, nigga. Yeah. No knife. Oh, shit. We gonna use that one. There's no knife. You smell that flavor on that man? Olive oil. Fucking with no knife. I told this nigga cut it. That's a thick one. That's okay. No knife know what to do with it. No knife know what to do with that thick one. We got them peppers cooking, got that flavor getting activated. While we got that going, chop some motherfucking garlic. Get these mashed potatoes. Oh man, what no knife teach you how to do when you cooking, man? And you got them go to throw something in the trash, go to touch something else. What no knife tell you to do? Change your gloves, nigga. You niggas be nasty. When I be in a restaurant, I be looking through that little window. I be wanting to see, you know, how niggas operate in their kitchen and shit. And then at the side if I'ma even try to order something or if I'ma get the fuck on. Change your gloves, nigga. These gloves might be too little for no knife. Motherfucker hot. No knife gonna tell you how to flip them lamb chops. Y'all niggas alright? Y'all, hey. No touching hot objects in the kitchen without consulting with no knife. Nigga, you niggas gonna hurt yourself, man. This is what I do. Nigga, sweat ain't no knife. Oh, no knife. I saw no knife do that shit on Instagram. I could do it. I look up. Nigga don't even know how to pour the boiling water out the mashed potatoes, boy. Like I say, man, we in St. Louis with this shit at the Good Vibes on the tour. We backstage, you know what I'm saying? With the kitchen set up. We got the steak cooked right there where we want it, medium well plus. We got the peppers. Now that we got the steak at the consistency that we want it, you know what I'm saying? We want to take them peppers, put them over in there. Let's come back over here, chop some of this garlic up. We got the mashed potatoes goddamn ready. We got an electric chopper over there, but come on, man. There's no knife. Let's chop us up some garlic. Fresh garlic, hidden gem when it comes to mashed potatoes. Believe that. Be very careful fucking around. Everybody can't do it like this and keep that motion going and look up at the camera without cutting their fucking finger off. No knife can. We're gonna go onions. Onions cook way quicker. That's why we coming in with that last. For anybody that may have wondered the order in which I got them, you know what I'm saying? Got my assistant chef, Q, over here, working the motherfucking lamb chop. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. Get that texture. All right, boom, check this out. Q just pulled up with the goddamn potatoes, peeled and boiled. See what I'm saying? About 15 of them motherfuckers. No Knife want nice, thick ass, creamy potatoes. You see what I'm saying? Not no watery shit that you add a little mixture to. See what I'm saying? Check that out. Boom. All right. And there you want to go chopped garlic, freshly chopped garlic. You with me? We want to go a generous amount of freshly chopped yellow onions. You know what I mean? We going to do a scoop full of that good Irish butter. You know what I'm saying? Boom. We going to go heavy whipping cream. Get in there. Heavy whipping cream. All right. Go a little salt. Where that black pepper at? A little salt. I had that shit. What the fuck is that black pepper? Yes, sir. Mash them. Homemade mash only. Mash that garlic up in there, you know what I'm saying? They smell amazing. The onions, you know what I mean? All that butter. Yeah, we're gonna go parsley for color. I can't find my fucking black pepper, man. I just saw that shit. Took it out of here. Yeah, there you go. Black pepper. Yes, sir. Mandatory with mashed potato, black pepper. Come on, man. Stop playing. Real mad. You'll see it when I put it on the plate in a minute. I get to showing off in this bitch. Look at that. Top of the line shit. All right. I don't think this is thick enough. The cornstarch. There we go. That's the consistency we want when that soy sauce start to lighten up a little bit. Yeah, when you see that color start to change, when it go from looking like regular soy sauce to looking chocolate like me, that's when you know that motherfucking cornstarch, that shit activated, baby. Let's go in with the motherfucking soy sauce cut with the cornstarch. Look at that gravy-like consistency. And one thing about that heat gonna motherfucking thicken it up even more. See that shit right there? Yes, sir. Got that heat thickening that shit up. It's no knife, nigga. Put the lid on that hoe. We got that sauce thickening up. Pepper steak and rice and onions. Taking a bath. They're taking a good bath too. Yep. Alright, nigga. We gonna motherfucking go. Sauteed green beans, peppers and garlic. Look at that color. Look at that color on there. It's all about color, you see. What a lot of motherfuckers don't know, big thing with this cooking shit be that color, man. You know, presentation. You know what I'm saying? Start off with some motherfucking, we wanna shock them green beans, you know what I'm saying? Make sure they really getting what they need. Start off olive oil. Then we gonna go butter. Soften this shit up a little bit. Butter. One more little scoop. Butter. Then we go butter. All through them bitches. We go butter. Crushed red pepper. Make sure they got that kick to them. Put a lid on it. Gonna have them bitches soft. What's going on with the pepper steak? With the pepper steak and onions, no knife? Let's find out, nigga. Yeah, it's thickening up. We got it in that nice little gravy, taking a bath. It's nice and tender. I bet it is. I bet it's tender. Get the bending and shit. I like to cut my peppers thick. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Boom, we're gonna let that do what that do. What's up with the green beans, no knife? Let's check on them. Boy, they're getting over in there. We wanna make sure it's getting all that flavor, that garlic, pepper. Come on, man, we coasting to the motherfucking finish line. We coasting to the finish line. The shit, somebody got some weed rolled up? There's no knife, nigga. Can I get a plate ready? I say, can I get a plate ready? 2, 3, yeah, you got, I bet you do. Rubbing on your belly too, we got you. Look at that. That's how you saute some green beans, nigga. Roof Chris. STK, Steak 48, they can't fuck with me. Huh? I got that flavor. I got color, I got presentation. I got consistency. You know how the fuck I get down. Huh? How tender them bitches is. Look, come on, man, stop playing. When you still want them to have that little texture to them, be nice. Look, put a lid on it. Fuck is you talking about? Let's check on the pepper steak and onions, no knife. Come on, man. These niggas can't fuck with me, P. Niggas can't fuck with me, P. Come on now, cut it. Get close to it, move in on it. Get as close as you can without burning yourself, man. Come on, man. I know that grill hot. Put a little tilt on it. Tilt, yeah. Come on, man. Stop. All right, here we go. Chunky them motherfucking potatoes here. Creamy, chunky ass potatoes. Stop playing, huh? Need a spoon so bad. Come on, man. I'm gonna wipe it out. Boom, nigga, no knife. Pepper steak and potatoes. Pepper steak and potatoes, nigga. Pepper steak and potatoes. You fucking with no knife. You know what motherfucking time it is. Stop playing. I told you, goddamn. I told you. We doing 2 meals at once tonight, right? Presentation. P, I'm so raw with this shit, big brother. I say I'm so raw with this shit, big brother. Watch this here. Come on, man. Please stop playing. Come on, man. You take a little bit of that gravy from that. Please stop playing with that. Please stop playing with that, man. No knife, man. Please, man. Lamb chops, mashed potatoes. Hold on, I like to put one more over the middle. No, for good luck, for good measure. Please stop playing with that, man. No knife, man. Lamb chops, mashed potatoes, sauteed green beans with red peppers and onions. These niggas can't fuck with me. 2 meals at one time, nigga. It's no knife. Pepper steak, potatoes, lamb chops, sauteed green beans, mashed potatoes, man. Niggas can't fuck with me. Cooking with Kirk. Let go.